This is the week of Halloween. I made a whole bunch of painted pumpkins. I want to share them with you. So, would you like to learn how to create one of these painted pumpkins? Just watch before I drop them.
Please be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, share my video with a friend, and watch my entire video. The first pumpkin I call Pumpkin Skull. I use charcoal to make a drawing of a skull face on the pumpkin, and then I took my black Sharpie to outline the charcoal because the charcoal is not permanent. And I used charcoal at first because if I needed to make corrections, there weren't many things that I could draw with the exception of the Sharpie. Now after I completed going over top of all of my lines with the Sharpie, then I decided to start painting. So I painted around most of the lines that I drew, and I wanted to leave the black because I was going to come back later and outline the black lines with black paint and my brush. I like how the skull came out. It gave a very strong feeling to this small pumpkin, and I think it was a great way to start off my series of small painted pumpkins. My polka dot black and white pumpkin was inspired also by the Japanese artist Yaya Kusama, otherwise known as the Princess of Polka Dots. I've been teaching about polka dot pumpkins for the past few weeks, so I had to create a black and white one for my kids. My abstract pumpkin is for the abstract artist inside of me that loves to paint and drip and to make paint look like icing, to make it look thick, to make the colors bright and beautiful, to almost make it look like it's something sweet and good to eat. My abstract pumpkin. I have all kind of colors, dots, swirls, drips, everything that an abstract artist loves. I See You is a pumpkin that's painted with polka dots and lots of googly eyes all over. I created various patterns, black and white, large and small, in between, googly eyes going all around the pumpkin. It's kind of a fun pumpkin. My little kids really enjoyed it, and I did too. You know Mr. Smith is a kid at heart. Pumpkin pour. I was thinking about my friends at Wet Paint Contemporary, a YouTube channel that I visit very often, where they specialize in doing paint pours. I just decided I wanted to pour some paint directly over top of my pumpkins and to watch the slow, ever-flowing paint coming down it. It's not exactly what a pour is like, but let's just say it's my version, and it's a pumpkin pour. but I had fun with my pinks and my greens and my oranges as they slowly dripped down the side of my pumpkin. And that was a black and white pumpkin. I painted the pumpkin black and worked some small little white speckles into it as the foundation, and then I would slowly start adding my paint pour with those basic colors, the greens, the reds, and the oranges. And then I started with some blacks with streaks and also with some dotted patterns. I really like this little pumpkin. It's cute. My last pumpkin is my sparkle pumpkin, which I did a little bit of everything, the abstract, the pour, plus some sparkles. He's a shiny little pumpkin with lots of color and glitter and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Share my videos and take care. Be safe and have a happy Halloween.